Hi everyone, I'm Amrik, a Customer Success Manager at Ardoq, and in this how-to video I will show you how to use required paths in Viewpoints. So a required path is particularly useful if you only want to see components that are linked to another via a reference. So it's a way of filtering out components that aren't linked to other components. So an example I will show is if we want to see our applications that have a successor application, so ones we're potentially retiring and bringing in a new application. So step one, I'm going to go to explore data in the top right hand side. You then get the option to pick a component name or a component type. In this case, I want to see applications, and I want to see all applications and which ones have a successor. I maybe don't know the answer to this, so I'm going to choose the component type application. And then you'll see there's 113 here, so I'm going to select all. As step two, I'm then going to select references to see which of these applications have that successor reference. Then I can see as an outgoing reference, there are applications that have a successor application. If I open dataset now, I will see 113 applications, of which one of whom has a successor to this application. So I'll see a lot of things that I don't want to see. So I'm going to select a required path here on the left-hand side. And so the path that I want to require is from applications, where there's 113, to the second application, which has a successor. And you'll see now that in the right-hand side, I've selected this required path. The number of applications has been filtered from 113 down to just the one application. So now if I open up the data set, we see that we only see the application that has that relationship. So product C web portal has successor Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So it's a really easy way of filtering down your data set to just see where those references exist. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support or your customer success manager, and also check out our YouTube channel for more video tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.